Only 1% can solve this. What is the capital of the UK? London. Which country is not part of the UK? Ireland. What is the UK's currency? Pound sterling. Who is the UK head of state? King. Which city hosted the 2012 Olympics? London. What is the longest river in the UK? River Severn. Which UK city has the Big Ben? London. What is the UK's national animal? Lion. Which sea is east of England? North Sea. What year did the UK join the EU? (1973). Which mountain is the highest in the UK? Ben Nevis. What is the UK Parliament called? Parliament. Which UK city is famous for universities? Oxford. What is the UK flag called? Union flag. Which UK PM served during World War II? Winston Churchill. What is the national flower of England? Rose. What is the UK emergency number? (999). Which UK city has the Angel of the North? Newcastle. What is the largest UK lake? Loch Lomond. Which house is part of UK Parliament? House of Commons? What sport is Wimbledon famous for? Tennis. What is the UK national drink? Tea. Which UK city has Stonehenge nearby? Salisbury. What is the UK time zone? GMT. Which river flows through London? River Thames. Who is the patron saint of England? St. George. What is the UK's second largest city? Birmingham. Which UK city has the Royal Mile? Edinburgh. What is the national flower of Scotland? Thistle. Which UK city is known for shipbuilding? Belfast. What does BBC stand for? British Broadcasting Corporation. Which UK country uses the dragon symbol? Wales. What is the UK's largest airport? Heathrow Airport. Which UK city has the Beatles connection? Liverpool. What is the UK national bird? Robin. Which wall was built by Romans in the UK? Hadrian's Wall. What is the UK's oldest university? Oxford. Which UK river is longest entirely in England? River Thames. What is the UK national flower of Wales? Daffodil. Which UK city has the Giant's Causeway nearby? Belfast. Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.